Virtual center doesn't mean the center will no longer be real. I mean, the center will still be there. Virtual center just means we are decoupling the location of the old-fashioned, let's say, center with the controllers sitting on the first floor and all the systems and equipment on the basement. With a virtual center, we are splitting the location. So on one location, you will have the ATS unit and you will have different location for the processing.
What do controllers think about our solution? So in terms of operational acceptance, so the feedback from the ATCO was very positive. Also we have worked with different ATCO communities from different ANSPs. The feedback was almost the same. So we found that the operational procedures of the delegation of air traffic services between ATCO was very well defined and they could apply the procedures. And in terms of human performance as well, and situation awareness was also quite accepted and acceptable in their point of view. They may have raised some safety concerns, but those which are really completely, I would say, explained afterwards because of the lack of some ATCO support tools. I think this is kind of development to be improved in the futures. Inside our CWPs, we need more controller support tools to allow ATCO to control a completely new airspace, which is not well known by them.
We finished our validation by the end of last year, and we collect in a short time all the information needed to be analyzed. Information in terms of human performance, safety, security and resilience. And this information has been collected in a specific document called validation report.
In terms of success story of SESAR innovation, for me it's about people, process and technology. So in terms of people, bringing together lots of experts from ATM industry, vendors, suppliers, so it's a collaboration of effort. So it's about bringing experts together in terms of the innovation of the solution. In terms of the process, is developing the concept from a high-level concept and maturing that concept in terms of delegation of airspace and virtualization. So that's been a real success story in terms of harmonization of the processes. This is where the success story for me is. And finally, it's about the technology. So it's about standardization of the services, of the SESAR services, and providing a blueprint for manufacturers in terms of how to develop the solution and the technology. So it's about the people element, it's about the process element, it's about the technology element. It's bringing all those together as part of, us for me is a success story and moving that forward as part of this SESAR solution.